Hi everyone, welcome back to another video. My name is Anne, and in today's video I'm going to take you through job opportunities that are available globally. I'm also going to leave websites that you can register and get started right away. If you have not subscribed, please consider subscribing and also hit the bell notification. That way you don't get to miss any of my videos. Let's get started. The first one is chat support. Most companies are now moving customer service from phone calls to messaging services. And this gives very many people opportunity to make money working online without talking to customers directly. As long as you have internet connection and you're able to agree on the time that you're supposed to be online, then this is a very good job that you can get started. For technical jobs, I've left the links, and for other chat jobs, there are also links that I'm going to leave at the description. As you can see here, you can check the directly.com for the tech chat jobs, and also sitestaffchat.com and chatshop.com for other chat opportunities. The second one is bookkeeping. Bookkeeping is related to accounting. So your main job will be creating financial transactions and generating reports from that information. You just need to be good in numbers, organized. Since every business needs a bookkeeper, you're likely to land your work at home job with this skill set. It's a specialized skill that pays well, $20 per hour. I think it's a good pay, and these opportunities are available online. You can check glassdoor.com for this opportunity. The other one is being a virtual assistant. Many businesses choose to seek a hand for tasks that are basic, like customer service, tagging of items, admin jobs, and instead of hiring someone to report to the office every other day, then they look for remote virtual assistant. It's not hard to be a virtual assistant. It's just it's a skill that you can learn. It's related to customer service. You just need to learn a few admin jobs and place yourself right in the market, and you'll be able to get this job. So you can look out for such opportunities at fiverr.com, where you create a gig, or upwork.com. The other one is transcribing. Transcription is where you translate audio to video or video clips into writing. So what matters most in transcribing is your speed and accuracy of your typing. You also get paid by the audio minute and not by the hours that you worked. So the longer the audio or the video is, the more that you get paid. Social media manager. Now, with most businesses migrating online, their social media presence has become increasingly more valuable. And so they need someone who will be engaging with customers throughout. So your role will be creating content, posting ads, updating media platforms, engaging with customers, and also updating the business owners. So this is just a skill that anyone can be able to learn. We have a lot of materials available online that you can be able even to teach yourself how to become a social media manager. If you go to Google or YouTube and search how to become a social media manager, this is something that you can be able to learn by yourself. So we have opportunities available for SMM, Indeed.com, FlexJobs.com. You can also engage with local businesses and also follow people who post on Facebook. So someone who has a business and they're always posting stuff on Facebook, you can just say chat them and tell them that you'd want to work with them. Freelance writing. Freelance writing is very popular. It involves writing job where a client will give you some specific instructions. So it's up to you to decide on how much you can take and how long you can, and how long you're going to take to complete it. Some clients will also be specific that they want this job done in this number of hours or days, and so you agree, but it's up to you to decide whether you can be able to take it and complete it on time. So you just need to also learn a few skills. Number one, be interested in writing. Be interested in writing some specific topics. You don't have to go for any job. You can pick some a niche that interests you. So you can be able to get jobs from guru.com, upwork.com, blogging pro, and problogger.com. Also look at the description box for updated list of sites. Voiceovers. If you have a good voice, or that it doesn't have to be so good, because some audio requires you to have some funny character voices. You can work as a translator, translate books to audio books. You can also do adverts, voiceovers, and also do video voiceovers. There's some people who do videos like in YouTube, and they need people to do voiceovers. So search for such jobs from fiverr.com, and for specifically for audiobooks, go to acx.com, and you can be able to get opportunities. Just you'll be able to audit for jobs to do translation of audiobooks. The books that are sold at Amazon, most of them are translated from acx.com. So this is a good site that you can register and get started right away, and you can be able to make even up to or more than $300 per book. We have some tech jobs. Tech jobs are some of them highest paying jobs. If you're a system engineer, you've done data analyst, software engineering jobs, skills, then you are very marketable. I've left, as you can see, quite a number of sites that you can look for jobs for if you're a tech person. Online courses. I've put it here because it's more of a business, but then it's an opportunity that requires you to have no money to get started. All you just need to do is to share the skill that you have. Whatever skill that you know you're good at, you can create a course and teach people. There are millions of people globally who are looking for that skill that you have, and I believe that that skill that you have can make a difference in your life financially. And making a difference financially to you will be creating a difference in someone else, because you're sharing a skill with them. So you can sign up with Teachable, Udemy, ThinkFic, and get started right away. So you prepare these courses in forms of videos or PDF and upload in these sites, and then put up the amount there. Just look at the related courses of what you want to share. See what other people are charging, and charge something close to that as you begin. Customer service, admin jobs, typing. There are a lot of people who are looking for people to assist them in these admin jobs. So if you know that you can be a customer representative, you can work from anywhere just by signing up with indeed.com, dynamitejobs.co. You can create a gig at fiverr.com, sign up with flexjobs.com, remote.co, and glassdoor.com. Blogging, YouTube. You can make money with these two opportunities. Just create content around a topic that interests you and monetize it. You can monetize the two through affiliate marketing. Affiliate marketing is selling someone's product at a commission. You can also run ads through the blog or through the YouTube once you reach the target that Google AdSense gives you. For example, in YouTube, you need to have 4,000 watch hours and also 1,000 subscribers. You can also do sponsored ads where people will pay you to feature their products in your content. So there are a lot of information online, also in YouTube and also in Google, on how to get started and how to make money blogging or becoming a YouTuber. One of my favorite ways of making money online is affiliate marketing. I've done affiliate marketing for quite a number of years and I've made money. So affiliate marketing is where you sell a product or a service that belongs to others and earn a commission out of it. There are various sites that I've listed below that you can be able to sign up and get started right away. You can actually be able to sell most of these products anywhere across the globe. How you sell these affiliate products is, one, you can create a YouTube channel specifically for reviewing these products. For example, if you want to review a software about an accounting software, you can look for information online and then do a review, post it in your channel, or write it up as a blog, and once people watch it and they like the information and they are convinced, they are going to buy that software. What happens is you earn a commission every time someone buys that software. To get started with a blog, I have done a video. Just check my channel. There's a video I've done where you can start a blog at less than $5. So, which is good enough for you to get started. So sign up for these sites and get started. These are some of the global jobs websites that you can sign up and get started right away. Create a profile, look for jobs, and mine is just to wish you the very best in your job search. I'm going to update a list to keep an updated list at the description. So I'm going to be updating every time I research and find a reliable site. I'm going to keep updating. So I wish you all the very best. I hope this video has been helpful to you. Kindly don't forget to subscribe. Let's grow this community. Let's keep learning. I wish you all the very best.